If you're someone who pays attention to detail and loves technology and pharmacy or life science graduate, then you should definitely hear about medical coding. Let's dive right in. Medical coding is a great career path these days, especially if you're looking for flexibility and stability. In just 5 easy steps, you can start your journey to becoming a medical coder. Step 1. Understand the role. Medical coders transform healthcare services into standardized codes. Think of it as being a secret agent for healthcare data. Step 2. Get the right education. You don't need a medical degree, but a certificate or diploma course in medical coding is a must. Look for programs approved by the AAPC or AHIMA. Step 3. Sharpen your skills. Attention to detail, good communication, and computer proficiency are super important. Practice makes perfect. Step 4. Time for certification. After your course, get certified. CPC, CCS, and CMC are some top certifications. These will open doors to better job opportunities. Step 5. Jump into the job market. Start with internships or entry-level positions. The demand for medical coders is growing rapidly, so you're in luck. Remote work opportunities are a big plus. So there you have it. A rewarding career in medical coding is just 5 steps away. Stay motivated, keep learning, and you'll be decoding the future of healthcare in no time.